connected.
Good morning, everybody. We're camping at Roaring River State Park. See my wife down there washing out her tackle box. But she got the wolf pup. Of course, see the Hennessy hammocks back here and the bike. So we pull the wolf pup with the Wrangler, and it actually does a pretty good job pulling it. But I got it hitched up. So I got the hitch on there. But works pretty good. Nice camping. Got the precision temp hot water heater, and man, I'm telling you, that's the most amazing thing we've ever had so far for the wolf pup is the precision temp hot water, instant hot water, as long as you want to run it. So that's pretty sweet. And I hear a kid crying behind me. She's throwing a fit over there. But anyway, she's not having so much fun camping. That little kid I said back there's not having so much fun camping. Screaming its head off. But here we got our clothesline from Stromberg and Carlson. And Sherry really likes this thing. It works really good. Hang the clothes out and just clips on. We take it off whenever we travel. Just this part here slides off and the post stays on. So it's easy to take on and off. Works really good. But check out the Hennessy hammocks. It's nice to be able to come out and relax in the hammocks. Kind of hot when the sun's shining on it, but when the sun's gone, it's nice in the evenings to lay in the hammocks. That's Sherry's right there. It's a mine's a Jungle Safari's Zip, and hers is the, I can't remember, but I'll post it on there. The new look of the CRF250L. If you guys notice any difference about the 250L, comment. But this is my new look. We went for a ride actually this morning, around looking at all the campers and the campgrounds and up through the holler. So we got us some firewood. Our family's actually coming down, my daughter and son-in-law and 2 grandkids today, later on today. So we're going to spend the weekend out here. We've been here all week actually, so we're staying from Monday till Monday. So also, I was going to say before I go that Sherry caught a pretty nice lunker yesterday, 3 1/4 pounds rainbow trout. I'll post a picture where you can see it. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Please subscribe. Click the thumbs up on this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Right on.